to get it instead for $269 for anybody who's interested. Really nice price point here. All right, next up, let's talk about a few robot mops, shall we? We're going to start with the 380T, and then I promise we'll hit my Bravajet 240 in just a second. But first up, this is for anybody who needs to clean a larger amount of home floor space. My floor space is not very big. I live in a tiny little New York City apartment, but for